I'd like to take a brief moment out just to say that this video in particular isn't the type of content I like to see my channel going. I'm looking to do more of a DIY / repair type videos, but with everything's been going on lately, I'm just trying to stay busy like everybody else. I'm not getting into anything. I spent the better part of last year tearing old garage down, putting a new barn up, and now lately I've been spending my time at my bench. Anyways, I just want to thank each and every one of you who's watched my videos, and especially those who subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot. It really does. It's what keeps me going and makes me want to make better videos. So, without further ado, on to the video. All right, what we got here is it's a Global Specialist. It's PB-70M. It's a little toy I got. It seems it's got some weight to it. It's fairly it's not bad. Comparing it to, this is what I used to use. These, you can actually see it's basically just your standard sizes. Okay. Normally, like with some of the older ones, either you couldn't get the resistor in, or they just flop around. You always find yourself kind of bending all your stuff, trying to make good connections. This actually has a little, like, it goes in, so it's not overly hard. It's got some tension to it, like it's grabbing. I take one of them. These, it's not bad. Check the dimensions. Pull the ruler out. We got 6.5 by 4.25. And the overall is just 8 7/16 by 5 1/8. You can see that. What I'm thinking of doing, make some ends for it. This, I got some of these, and these are basically just, they come in a little kit. You buy them like this. This is like a bunch of kits mixed together, but you basically just take these little things, break them off. Okay, I'm gonna take that, put that right in the tool like this. Just the open side face down. Okay, we're back. Furnace came on. Basically just crimp the little ends and find the side with the bigger hole where the slot is, and then put the crimp, the open side towards the slot, push it in. Sometimes you gotta give it a little help. This, and it snaps. You'll feel a little snap. Now it's in there. That's it. Okay. Nice, huh? And we'll do the other ones. There you go. I got those 3. And then, thinking we could take black. According to this, they're making hot because it's V1, V2, and ground. So maybe we want to be able to put it over here, maybe like this. I think we'll just trim this back a little bit. Pliers back a little bit. I'm going to trim this same way. Oop, a little more. And I have these ones, but they're, I'm going to use these, not the right ones, but not to really crimp the heck out of them. Okay, just remember, front side, okay, always goes into the groove like this. Always pinch from the back side, like this. Make sure you got it in there right. And go for it. Well, I ended up putting all the grounds across all of them. I'm not going to do that with the hot side, just for the fact that you don't know what you're going to do. Put here, different hot here, different there. So we'll just use some jumper wires if I need them. But that's it. I like it. We'll see how it works out. I'm going to take a little bit of a liquid tape. I'm going to put it around here. I really don't like that. I know you can keep your bench clean, but let's face it. Our benches get messy. You got stuff laying around like this, you know, little vats and wires, and you're moving it around and start shorting stuff out. Yeah, I'm not liking that too much. That's a little on the dangerous side. It only takes once, but other than that, it's a nice welcome to my my bench. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped so many people out there. That's about it. If you want to see more stuff, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.